I'm back again with another question from the 2025 mock deck. Ifeanyi receive half as many oranges as Seyi, and Seyi receives 3/4 as many oranges as Musa. If the total oranges shared is 136, what is the ratio of the shares? Now let's analyze the question. How many people are involved here? 3 people: Ifeanyi, Seyi, and then Musa. And they are supposed to share something which is oranges, that is 136. Now we have something here, half and then 3/4. I'm going to use a block to explain these fractions. Now we are saying that Ifeanyi receive half as many oranges as Seyi. It means that whatever Seyi receives, Ifeanyi will get half of that. Right, so let's take this to be Seyi's share. It means that Seyi's share would always be divided into 2, and then part of it, that is this part, will be for Ifeanyi. You get it? So it means if Seyi is getting 20, Ifeanyi will get half of it. That will be 10. Then the second part, which is Seyi, the same Seyi, you realize that Seyi was compared to Ifeanyi. This time, Seyi is being compared to Musa. We are saying that Seyi received 3/4 as many oranges as Musa. So it means that this is Musa's share. We have divided it into 4 equal parts. And then 3/4 out of this will be for who? Seyi. Right, so we have 3 people, but Seyi is connected to Musa, and Seyi is also connected to Ifeanyi. So Seyi is like both teams to score. He's here and he's there. I for Ifeanyi, S for Seyi, and M for Musa. Like, let's count. If Seyi is getting, has been divided into 2, Ifeanyi is getting 1 of it, right? It's 2. Then Seyi is getting 1, 2. At any point in time, if Seyi is getting 2, half of 2 is 1. So this is for the first analysis. Then the second part, let's count the number of parts Seyi will get. Seyi is getting 1, 2, 3. So 3 is 2. If Seyi is getting 3, what will Musa get? So Musa is getting the whole thing, which is 4. However, you can clearly see that Seyi on this portion, on the first block, is getting 2. Then Seyi on the second block is also getting 3. So we are having 2 and then 3. How do we make sure that Seyi is getting the same proportion? What can we do to get the same? You realize that we can use what we call the LCM to get 6. Now it means that I have to make sure that Seyi is getting 6. What can I do to make sure that Seyi is getting 6? So I can multiply this side by 3, this ratio. I can multiply this ratio by 3, and I can also multiply this ratio by 2. Then I'll have 3 times 1 will give us 3. Is 2. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then on this side, 2 times 3 will give us 6. And then 2 times 4 will give us 8. Now you can clearly see that Seyi's portion is equal on both sides. Then we can combine all their 3 ratios as 3 for Ifeanyi, 6 for Seyi, and then 8 for Musa. So that is 3:6:8. But the question is asking us to find the ratio of their shares. What are they sharing? They are sharing 136 oranges. We know that Ifeanyi is getting 3, Seyi is getting 6, and then Musa is getting 8. So that is Ifeanyi, Seyi, and then Musa. If we want their shares, what will be the total ratio? That will be 3 plus 6 plus 8. That will give us 17. So if we want Ifeanyi's share, we can do 3 out of 17 times what is the total number of things they are sharing? That is 136. That will give us 24. Then if we want Seyi's share, that will be 6 out of 17 times the total, which is 136. That will give us 48. Then lastly, if we want Musa's share, that will be 8 out of 17 times 136. That will give us 64. So let's see. You realize that half of 48 is 24, and if you are supposed to divide 64 into 4 equal pieces, right? So this is 1, 2, 4, right? Equal pieces. Don't mind my drawing. So this will be 16, 16, 16, 16. 3/4 of this, right? So 16 plus 16 plus 16, we are going to get 48, which is Seyi's share. Now what is the question asking us? So we have their shares. We have to write it in a form of ratio. So we have 24:48 is to 64 in that order, as in Ifeanyi, Seyi, and then Musa. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, repost, comment, share to all your friends, support the movement. I'm out.